Welcome back, traders, to another installment on how to trade gold managing a small account. This is going to be more of a technical analysis video that we're doing, just because I'm not in a trade at the moment. I did see this opportunity up here, but I chose not to take it because I'm waiting for another one. So I decided that, you know what, it's best just to wait for another opportunity, and if it does show up, that would be fantastic, because I think that's going to pay out a lot more than what we've gotten right now. Okay, I may be right, I could be wrong. So that's what I'm thinking at the moment. So as it stands, going off the FVG that I pointed out in the day, so that is this little gray zone that we can see right here. Price has gone into that. So price has gone into this FVG, as you can see, the daily FVG. Okay, so we got a close above the resistance level, right? So what I'm expecting is price to come back into the FVG again a second time. Okay, but this time I'm expecting it to bounce off this resistance level here, where it's going to turn into a support, and then it's going to shoot up. That's my thinking. I may be right, I could be wrong, right? That's what I'm thinking so far. So that's what I'm waiting for. It may pan out, it may not, but as it stands, I think just waiting to see if it happens or not, it's actually going to be good for me, and it's going to be good for my trading career, right? I think it's actually going to be a sensible approach in that sense. So hence why I actually want to wait, because I think I should be able to add a lot more onto that small account if I'm right than if I am to jump into this trade as it is. If I had jumped into this trade this morning, or this afternoon, sorry, it would have worked out quite well, because I was thinking to get in, but at the same time I says to myself, you know what, let's just wait, let's just be patient. Okay, so as it stands right now, okay, this high that we have over here is looking like it could be the high of the week, right? Actually, no. If I am right, right? Take that back. If I am right, this is looking like the low of the week. So price shouldn't get any lower than this level right here. Okay, I'm just going to call that out. I may be right, I could be wrong. Only time will tell. The number we're looking at is 2731.04. So that's what I'm waiting for tomorrow, or maybe at some point this week. It could happen, it may not happen. We'll figure that out. At the same time, if I jump into Forex Factory and we're gonna look at this week, now tomorrow at 7 p.m. to 7:30 is we have the FOMC coming out, okay, or the Federal Reserve rate, if they're going to cut rates, or if they're going to increase it, or if they're going to keep it the same. As it stands, with what Trump is discussing with the Federal Reserve, he's demanding they cut rates. They may do it, they may not, but we'll see. I have a feeling that it's going to go down to, say, at least 4.25% for tomorrow, when that data is released at 7 p.m. So we'll see what happens, right? So there is good reason for me to get that opportunity that I'm looking for, if rates are cut. So what I would expect is going to be good for the metals, right? It's going to be good news for the metals. But what's going to happen, market's instant reaction to that news coming out is going to start to push downwards. Or if it's already pushed down in the middle of the night, then chances are it's going to respond correctly and then push up again, and then give us a new higher high, therefore making this highly likely that this will be the actual low for this week, right? That's just my logic in based on what I'm looking at right now. So with this said and done, okay, right, if you found the content that I've just shared with you today useful, make sure you hit that subscribe button, you turn on the notification, and drop us a like, and I will see you all on the next one.